Hi everyone, this is Sharan here. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to see about 5 most essential data science skills that is required for a data scientist. These are all some of the skills that are normally left out by people who are trying to learn data science. And hence, it is important for you to understand what are all these skills, and you can train yourself in these skills as well along with your technical skills. The first one in the list is capability to work end to end. Data science is not just about data analysis or building a predictive model. In a lot of scenarios, you are required to collect the data from different sources. In some cases, all the required data would be available internally in different sources. So with a simple SQL or simple script, you would be able to combine them and then use it for your purpose. But in some cases, the data set might not be available internally. You have to write a script in order to scrape the data from a different website and then use it for your advantage. And hence, it is not just about data analysis or model building. It is about bringing all the data set that is required for the analysis and then making use of it for the advantage. And data science is not just about building a model and then moving on to the next problem. It is about implementing a solution and then making sure that you are able to deploy the solution in the production environment. And hence it requires software engineering skills, such as you should be good in programming and you should be also good in making use of Git repositories, because you will be working as part of a team and you have to collaborate with your team as well as have to do a version controlling. And hence it is required for you to have a good knowledge in Git as well as the other toolkits and other tools that is commonly used by a data scientist. The second skill is critical thinking. Critical thinking can be very helpful in any profession. Some of the benefits of critical thinking are it helps you to frame the right question to better understand about the data set. So you will be working with many stakeholders, and hence it is required for you to come up with the right question to get the required information from the stakeholders. All these stakeholders would have so much of knowledge, but as a data scientist, it is our duty to ask the right question to get all the information that is required for us. And it helps you to view a particular problem from different points of view. So as a data scientist, you should not be influenced by a particular stakeholder's point of view. You should have the ability to look into a particular problem from different points of view and understand what it is. And it helps in objectively analyzing while working on the data interpretation without any biases, which is very important for a data scientist. You should not have any bias while you're solving a particular problem. The third one in the list is the communication skill. As a data scientist, it is required for us to have a good communication skill and hence work with the different stakeholders, get all the information that is required for us to work on a particular problem or to build a predictive problem or whatever it may be. Communication skills is very helpful while communicating the findings to both the technical as well as the non-technical users in a clear manner. It helps in promoting the data literacy in the organization. In any project, there would be some technical users who would be able to understand the statistics and data science terms that you use. But equally, there will be a non-technical users who can't understand the technical terms, and hence it is really important to have a good communication skills in order to explain those findings to those non-technical users without using any jargons or without using any technical terms. Communication skill is very helpful to highlight the value of a particular action. So it is really important to have a good communication skill to ensure that your actions or your recommendations are taken seriously by the stakeholders. The fourth one in the list is business knowledge. Business knowledge can be very helpful to understand the data landscape. It is also very helpful to understand the various problems that are faced by the organizations, and it is also very helpful while coming up with the various insights or suggestions or recommendation that can be used in order to improve or in order to solve a particular problem that has been faced in the organization. So as a data scientist, it is very important for you to have a thorough understanding about the business where you are working on. The fifth one in the list is problem solving. Last but the most important part. Data science is not about having the lot of technical knowledge about a lot of different algorithms and different techniques that can be applied on various data sets. It is about problem solving. As a data scientist, sometimes your solution to a particular problem might be very simple. You need not make use of any complex algorithm. All you might require is just an Excel, or in some cases, you might not even need any tool to solve a particular problem. So what is important is not how much you know or what kind of techniques you know or what kind of techniques you can put to use in a particular project. The most important thing is your ability to solve a particular problem. Understand the root cause, which in many cases might not be quite visible when you try to solve a particular problem, and hence it is important for you to have a problem solving skill. These are all the 5 skills that is very important for a data scientist. I hope you would have learned something new today. If you have learned something new and if you are interested in data science related contents, please subscribe to my video and enable the notification icon. That's it for now. See you in the next session. Bye until then.